Hey, what's up everyone? I'm here at Almond Creek in Shafter, also known as North Bakersfield. We're actually going to take a tour of this modern John Balfanz home and give you a detailed tour at the ground level. So let's get started. All right, so this particular home, it is a contemporary elevation, 2-story, 5-bedroom with a loft, 3-bath, 2-car garage with this beautiful modern look. So let's get started. All right, so it is in a really raw stage, but we're gonna take a cruise through it anyway. So you go to the right and you have a room over here and got your storage area there. Then over here you have your full bathroom. So you have a sink here, toilet, full shower here. And then over here, sky's the limit here. You could probably do like a nice little vanity or desk there. Off to this side here, we have a mud room. That would be the garage. Over here you got a laundry room. So you have your dryer and washer. And right here you have uppers. And then over here you have some cool storage. So you can put all your items in there as well. So you have your linens or maybe all your cleaning supplies. You got storage under the stairwell, so really deep storage back there. You put all your Christmas stuff, all the extra decorations. So you walk in here. To your right, you have a nice size island. You'd have your oven, your microwave, tons of storage just for your seasonings. Little cabinet below here. This is that white shaker. Then you got a corner pantry with ample storage area here. You have your oven here, your hood, your washer. Then right here you have your sink, so you can actually be in the action while you're doing dishes. If you come out here, this would be the dining room area. Then out here you got your covered patio. This is cool because it's incorporated with the home. The front door is south facing, so you're gonna have a lot of shade on this side of the house. So if you're barbecuing and stuff like that, you'll have a lot of shade on this side of the home here. So if you take a quick spin around here, you have a nice kitchen area here. This would be the foyer. This is the full living room, big windows. And then your formal dining area here and your bar to have breakfast and snacks with the kids. So let's go upstairs. And this home has a loft up here. So you have this nice sized loft that could be a media room, TV room, game room, library, office. This would be cool to have a little office here. You have that nice view of the neighborhood there. So you got a good sized room over here. A nice sized walk-in closet. And then over here, another room. These rooms are a very good, generous size, and they both have the walk-in closets. All right, so let's make our way over here. And you have more storage right there for more linens, more backstock and stuff. Then over here, another room, another great size walk-in closet as well. Now we take a look over here. And this is cool. You got a bathroom, full shower with double vanities over here. All right, so if you're looking for new construction, this home is located in Almond Creek. They do have 2 available. They have a release coming soon, but if you're looking for something, give me a call. I can help you out. If you want to know what happens daily in Bakersfield, follow my Instagram channel at Skate Agent or Facebook channel at Skate Agent as well. But let's go take a look at the primary room. All right, this is a good sized primary room. You have an open bathroom here. You have a double vanity, huge soaking tub. More storage here, toilet. Nice modern looking walk-in shower to match the rest of the decor. Nice size walk-in closet. All right, so like I was saying, this is Almond Creek. If you're looking for a new construction home, give me a call. I can set you up with an appointment and get you started. So let's take a look at the next home.